Today's video, I will be telling you guys about some ways in which you can cash out your crypto or instantly convert crypto into cash. So, with that being said, let's get straight into it. The first way is to simply use an exchange to sell the crypto. And one of the easiest way to cash out your cryptocurrency or Bitcoin is to use a centralized exchange such as Coinbase. And the second way is to use your brokerage account to sell crypto. And the third way is to simply go with the peer-to-peer trade, meaning you can do a direct trade selling your cryptocurrency directly to another person, meaning P2P, also known as, and then cash out at a Bitcoin ATM that is not very popular and are unique and not available in most countries or cities. So just if you have the Bitcoin ATM, use that. But if you don't, just use the three methods I've told before this. And they're saying the fourth option is to cash out your Bitcoin at a Bitcoin ATM, which is the equivalent of selling your Bitcoin. And the fifth is to trade one crypto for another and then cash out. And yeah, these are 5 methods that can help you instantly convert your crypto into cash. So yeah, that's all from my side. Thanks for watching this video till the end.